Hey, 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 we're back at it. I'm on the camera today. Purpose of the video is we already stripped these floors, removed all the coating from it. And now the purpose of this video is the importance of cleaning it after you strip it to get off the final little residue, dirt, factory dirt, you know, any of the stuff that gets left on it. And that's what we're doing now here. You can see Malcolm over here doing it. We got Kev over here doing it. And basically what we're using here is this is just a cleaner, something that a lot of the imitators try to strip with. And you can see we already cleaned all this right here. And you know, you can really see it looks really nice. It's still kind of drying out. You can see they're not as dark as, like, say, over here. All that dark you see is just kind of still dirt, film, last little layer of sealer. So the particular product we're using now is designed to cut through the last of the film, and that's the purpose of this video. Is after you strip your floors, make sure you clean it. And you can see the rag right there, how dirty it still is after we already just stripped it and made it look amazing just from the stripping. So purpose of the video, if somebody's just stripping your floor and when they're done, they're just, yeah, we're done. You know, you should question what their stripping technique is, because, like I said, what I use to clean it with is what these guys are out trying to use for stripper. So, purpose of the video is cleaning your tile, particularly like slate like this, terracotta tile, anything you're going to put a coating on. It's important to get that last little film out or you'll have bonding issues, and that's where the sealer won't bond really good. And then it'll start to peel and turn white and cloudy and hazy on you. So it's really important to create that bond there. So that's why we're cleaning them, so we can open up the pores, really get the little oils and greases out of it, and get a real good bond on it. You can see we're hitting the wall tile, we're really detailing it really good, and this thing should look back to like new, or at least 98.9%. So purpose of the video, people, clean your floors thoroughly before you seal, especially with topical coatings. But even if you use penetrating sealers and enhancers outside, you're going to want to make sure you clean them really good before you put sealers on. So anyway, though, like us, subscribe, share. Most important of all is keep yourself informed. You know, you guys are costing, you know, the lady, I can't remember, she told me she spent like $30,000 or something to remodel this in here. So my point being is, you guys are spending a lot of money. Don't neglect your stuff. Take care of the maintenance. Do it right from the beginning. And that's why she has me here. So purpose of the video, people, is keep things clean. If you look right there, there's a tile we actually missed because we didn't communicate with our overlapping skills, which actually was a good thing in this case because I really wanted to show you guys. See the edges there, how it's really dull? Those are the areas that we hit and our cleaner hit it, but see how it's still shiny here in the middle and kind of basically dirty looking? That's where we missed. So that's the importance of the cleaning, people. It's that last little tinge of just ass, you know, the part you can barely see. So that's why it's important. Here you go, that's the final shot. We used a low luster. We put on like 6 really good coats. This is slate, not terracotta, so it doesn't take as much as a terracotta. You can see it looks freaking phenomenal. You can see how purple it is. It's full purple slate, actually. So there it is. That's the end result there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.